How did Krishna consciousness develop?
Krishna consciousness is already there in everyone's core of heart. But due to one's material conditional life, he has forgotten it. So this process of chanting Hare Kṛṣṇa mahā-mantra means to revive that consciousness. It is already there. Just like a few days ago, these American, European boys and girls, they did not know who is Krishna. But now we have seen yesterday how their whole the procession, throughout the whole procession, how they were chanting and dancing in ecstasy. So do you think that is artificial? No. Artificially nobody can chant and dance for hours together. That means the awakening of Krishna consciousness. It was there by the bona fide process, it is now awakened. That is explained. Nitya siddha Krishna bhakti saddha bona savanadi shuddha chitte karai udaya. The Krishna consciousness is dormant in everyone's heart. So when it comes in contact with devotees, that is awakened. Just like to be attracted by a young girl or young boy. It is there in the child. That small child, it is there. And when he will be young, then it will be awakened. It is not that artificial service. So, in association, it is awake. The potency is there already. But in good association, by hearing about Krishna, one is awakened to the status of Krishna consciousness.